In this short tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to the new feature found in Tally 2 within the BravoZone. I've already gotten started to save time. I'm going to go to Content here, and you'll notice I've actually added my first content, and that's going to be a slide. And in here, you'll see something that's relatively new, not only in Tally, but in the BravoZone, and that is a thumbnail of the image that I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and click to add content to add another slide to show you how I did this. And you'll notice over here, the type of content is going to be a slide. Of course, you have 6 different choices here. I can add any image to be used in the slide. In this case, I'm going to use a PowerPoint slide. And in actuality, you can click either one of these images to import a PowerPoint slide. I'm going to go ahead, click to upload, and I'm going to choose a slide. It's uploaded, and we're all set to go. There's no need to add any text here because the PowerPoint slide actually has the text. I'm going to click on Save, and of course I can add additional content, but I'm just going to focus on the slide feature in this tutorial. Through the magic of video, I'm going to show you what this is going to look like as a presenter and what your audience is going to see. I have started a Tally presentation, and this is my custom intro image. I'm going to go ahead and advance. And I've already added one player here for demonstration purposes, and I want to start the session. And you'll notice over here, we have our leaderboard, or if you're using Teams, that would show up here. I can certainly hide that leaderboard, but I'm going to show you something here. So here's that first slide. As a presenter, I can click on that image to go to full screen, and this applies to any image within the BravoZone. However, I don't necessarily have to click on the image. I can certainly just hide the leaderboard. And when I click on this toggle switch, it will hide the leaderboard or Teams until I click on it again sometime during my presentation. So you may choose to actually hide the leaderboard or Teams, and every once in a while show how your audience is doing. Let's go ahead and advance, and here's the slide that I demonstrated. Again, I can go to full screen or not. This is what your users will see. They can certainly just click on the image to go to full screen if need be, but you'll see it's large enough, even reduced like this, that they can actually read it. I'm going to go ahead and take this off screen. Let's show you how to export your slides from a PowerPoint presentation. So here's the PowerPoint presentation that I used to export those images. To do this, all you have to do is go File, Save As, and instead of saving it as a PowerPoint presentation, we're going to go to the drop-down menu, and you have 2 choices. You can export it as a JPEG or a PNG file. Doesn't make any difference. And they're right next to each other right here in the drop-down menu. I'm going to choose JPEG, and I'm going to go ahead and just save it to the location I've already predetermined. You can choose all slides or just this one. I'm going to choose all slides, and it's going to tell me each slide of your presentation has been saved. That's it. As you can see, it's very easy to repurpose your PowerPoint presentations within Tally. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.